Hello everyone, welcome again. In this video series, what we are going to do, we are going to create a Selenium automation scripts for a web application that is car parking. So till now, if you are watching this directly, just watch the previous video. So it's continuation of the previous video. So till now what we have done, we have write some initial test cases. We have designed the framework over there. Like we have a test pages and best package, and here we have a test home.test file. So let me run. Like we have two test case here, verify the heading of the page, and the second is a navigate to the home page. So if I run it over my TestNG, well, it will show let's show you. First let me run the application. So my application is running on car parking. Sure, this is the URL where this project is running, and the same application we are going to automate the complete application. So first thing, we are working on the home page to verify all the GUI things like the headings and the menus and this over the home page. Then we'll move to the login and sign up, another module, and day by day we'll see the multiple instances that we are going to create multiple pages into the application, and we're going to automate them one by one. And this is the way in which way you can create a complete automation framework. Okay, so for the home test, as we plan in here, we have four test cases are there. So we have done two in the last session. In this session, we are going to cover this navigation to the home page and verify the link menus, and the next navigate to the home page and verify the body text heading. So what exactly we need to verify in these two test cases? The first thing, in the first one, we have to verify these menus, and in this and the next one we have to verify this body text. So what can I do? I'm going to open it again. In the page side, we have to, what we are doing under the pages, we are defining the elements, and we are creating a methods, and then we are calling those methods into our test cases. So the first test case says we have to verify the menus. So let's create a menu link. So first thing, we have to inspect the element here. So I just go to the inspect element to find the XPath of this home page, and let's say I'm going to do this copy XPath. What XPath I get this navbar, but I don't need this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a custom XPath via text. Okay, so because home is unique over there, so let's say I just create a that contains text. And what is the text? Text is a home. Okay, in this way you can say this is the unique one. So I can copy this XPath, and let's create another page element here. So let me copy this. Actually I'm copying it 3 times because we need three elements over there. The first one is a home, so I just copy my XPath as a home here. Okay, this is already there. Next one, home. So let's say home link we can say. And the next thing, what I need this sign up. So I just go inspect sign up, copy this text here and edit here and replace it with a home. This is also unique, so we can create XPath by text. Here I just create sign up. So let's say I can say sign up link. Got it. And the next one will be our login link. So let me copy it directly. Quickly I'm going to finish this, then we'll move to the create other pages and handle how can we handle the multiple pages over there. Okay, so this we have a login. So I'm going to just log in, and I just replace my XPath with this. So now we have XPath of 3. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to verify the text over there, or we need to click on the link. So we can create two types of methods here. First one will click on the page, and second will be verify the text. But in this test case specifically, we just need to verify the text. So I'm going to create a method for that. So in the methods, what I need to write public string, and let's say home link text. And what this will return, this will return us home link what get text. Get text is there to get the text. Okay, similarly we have three more, so I'm going to just create quickly three more methods. That will be that says sign up link text, and this one will be login text. And this sign up link test and login link test okay, is it will give us a text of the link. So it's time to write the sketch. Now we have page ready. So now on the home page we can create another test method which will says @test public void. What is the name of the test case? The test case name is here test case 3. Navigate to home page and verify the primary header menu. Menu name should be menu. So I can say this is my test case name. Let's say verify primary header text. Okay, no, it should be text. Okay, so what I need to do, first thing I need to create a we can create an object of page, home page, and we can call this driver, we can call those methods that we have created and directly verify them. So for that we what need to do, we can create a home page page equals to new home page. And if you notice in every test we are going to create this driver, but we don't need this because if we create a before method it will run. I will show you in a upcoming days like how can we manage this thing in a proper way. Okay, I'm just writing this to verify the page over there. So what we need to verify over there, so we can write assert dot set true, and what we need page dot, from this page object we are going to call this method verify. We have to check is home link text, page dot home link text, and whatever the text is coming it should be contain home, right? It should be contain home. Similarly we have three more checks over there, so I'm going to create another 3 statement for the assert side. So it will be home link, let's say we have sign up, and another one is login text. And what are the text over there? So we have simple sign up, and another thing we have a login. So I'm just copy these 3 and I think it's done. Okay, now if I will run, it will give me a result. It should give me a result. So I just copy to run it. What can I do? Right click on over the test class, go to run on a TestNG. Once we have multiple class, we will create a XML file also to run the suite of the automation. But for now I'm just creating a simple test cases that is running and verifying the test. You can see 3 test cases are there and the 3 are passed, and if you see the result here it will say all the test cases are passed in the TestNG section. Next remaining is to verify the body text. In similar way, let's repeat the same way and verify this quickly. So first thing, over the home page what we need to do, we need to create element. Quickly let's create an element here. So I just copy it and inspect my element. So I just inspect this element, then I just replace this with a text, and let's say body text, and this will return me a body text. So I'm just create a method that's going to return a body text over there. So body text that get return, and I'm going to say body heading text. Okay, Let's create a quickly another test case. So the format will be same, so I'm just going to copy it, and here I'm going to call a body text method from page and verify those text. Okay, method name also we need to change, and another thing is a body text. Here I need to verify that exec browser. This time it will pass, and let's run it. So I just go again, right click, go to TestNG. So it will run our test case, close our browser in a while because we are using a thread wait for 5 seconds. So it's running. Okay, it's done. It says one is failed, something went wrong. So let's go here and search. This one is failed. So let me quickly check what's the error. No such element found. Okay, it's not able to find this element that we have created. So let's go there and check in our browser what we are getting for this. Yeah, it's correct. It's not able to find this text. Okay, so what we can say, let me check the spelling. Student car parking, student management system. Okay, so this is not an element, this is a heading. So we have to change our anchor tag to heading. What we have done quickly, what are the changes that we have done quickly? If you see, I can zoom it. So you will see here we have changed our anchor tag to h1 tag, right? Perfect. Okay, so this time I'm going to update this XPath to this, and I think everything will work fine now. If there will be any mistake, you will see errors over there. So it says pass. Oh, we have selected this only, so it's executed only this test case. You see result here, only one test case is false because we have selected this. But if I unselect it and run this whole file, it will run all the test cases available on this file. Now just wait until it's going to create a execution complete. Okay, now if you notice, we have a 4 test cases in the home test file, but in every test case we are creating an object of home page. Okay, this is not a good way. So what we can do, just create another just use another annotation here before method. So what we need to run before every method, let's say public void before method. I've created a method, and here what we can do, we can create an object of it. So let's say I'm going to copy this, I'm going to remove this from here and going to create it. But for that I need to define this at the top. So what we can say, we can define a variable here. Let's say public home page, and name will be page. That's okay. Now to this page we are going to create a object of home page. So before every test case, this method will execute and create object of home page and assign value to it, and we can use it in the entire class. So now we don't need to write this line of code, okay, in every test case. So I'm just remove it. So this is the smart way to doing the things and the proper way. So day by day we will improve this framework. So just follow the videos from the first session to last session. Now let's run it. It will work similarly, it will not create any issue. So I just run it, executed, and done. Just close. Why it's taking time like to in execution, why the screen is holding, because we are using a thread wait of 10 seconds here. Why? Because we want to the element should be load over there. We will convert this thread.sleep into a dynamic element, dynamic wait as well in upcoming session. Okay, so we have done with a home page, and the next session we are going to create continue with a login page test cases. We will create a test cases of the login page. So thank you for watching. Keep tuning with the code one, and if you have any question, you just comment me out. I will try to solve them. Thank you.